Ever since I was a kid, I used to watch the Olympics and see Usain Bolt, Blake, and I always was like, Jamaica always represent gold medal culture to me. And it's always been like a dream. I always wanted to see a basketball team. I always wanted to picture, basketball players with the Jamaica jersey on, and I've always wanted to wear one too. So just getting the opportunity, I could either play for USA, Jamaica, but being able to be here and even it be an option, it means a lot to me.
Yeah, it definitely means a lot, and something I would be open to doing 1,000%. Just the culture, like he said, gold medal culture since I was a kid, and only time I got to see the basketball team was a good friend of mine, Josh Minot, played for them a couple years ago, but that's the first time I seen people wearing the Jamaican basketball jerseys. So just to be able to rep that, that would mean a lot.